What is up YouTube? I hope you guys are doing really good. So in this video I'm gonna basically change my basic OEM air filter to the K&N air filter. This is a air filter which I've ordered from LHL something like that Motors. So these guys are basically from Kerala, and yeah, this is what I got. Anyway, this is the air filter, proper genuine thing, and let's see what we get inside this thing apart from the air filter, of course. First thing which we get is this warranty card, so we can register using this card. We can register our filter. We have got this keyring, small keyring. Stickers, we have also got this K&N stickers, though K and N is not visible, only these two colors are visible. So only these are some of the things which we got in the box. So let's start and put this new air filter in our bike. For changing the air filter, we basically have to remove the back seat first. Then this panel, this little panel should come out. And for Yamaha R3, the air filter is behind this plastic body. And for removing this, we have to remove the main seat as well. So we'll start by removing this, what do you call this back seat, and then we'll carry on with the work. Actually, it's very easy. I mean, you don't need a lot of technical knowledge in order to do this. I mean, you can save money as well as you can learn as well. That's why I think it's good to, how do I say, know about your machines. And while removing these screws, make sure you remove them very cautiously. So now this panel should come out. So this panel is out. Don't keep it like this. I'm keeping like that, but like keep it on some flat surface. Then we need to remove these bolts. So now all we need to do is remove this plastic body, which is fairly easy. Actually, working on your machine is very therapeutic in my opinion. I don't know why. Oops. Okay. So once this thing is done, this plastic panel is held by 3 plastic buttons. Okay. So all we need to do is pull it slowly outwards. This is the air filter box. So we need to remove this thing and then we can put the new one inside. So we have taken all the, okay, thank you. So I think we did not even have to take this thing out. So this thing has come out, the air filter cover, outer cover, and this is the air filter, which is kind of dirty. Nice one, you also fall, buddy. So instead of this one, we are going to put the K&N air filter, not air filter. So let's slide this thing inside, guys. Okay, this thing is very much snug. So now guys, we need to reverse the process, and I'm gonna see you after putting everything on. So guys, now everything is done. I mean, I have properly fixed all the panels and everything. That is the old air filter lying over there. So let's start this beauty and see. It is supposed to sound good and also give us a good mileage and everything. So let's see whether it actually sounds good or not. The main reason why I did go for this mod is because I wanted a good performance, because as you guys already know that I actually use my bike for touring purpose. I mean, that is my main like usage. So sound was not like necessary, but still you get the point. Okay, I don't know whether you guys can hear my voice or not, but I can definitely feel that it is kind of sounding a little bassier, because yeah, it actually sounds a little bassier. It sounds bassier now. So this thing certainly sounds better now. Plus, I hope it gives good performance as well. So this was me changing the air filter for my Yamaha R3. So if you guys are still watching this video, thanks a lot for supporting, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.